Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Pay to add credit cards for US merchants. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your device's App Store. For Android devices, this is the Google Play Store. For iOS devices, go to the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type Google Pay. Select the Google Pay app from the search results. Tap the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, open the Google Pay app. You will need to accept the terms of service to continue. Sign in using your Google account. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. After signing in, tap on the payment section. Then, select Add Payment Method. Choose credit or debit card from the options. Enter your card details as prompted. This includes your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Confirm your billing address if required. Tap Save to add your card. You may be asked to complete a verification process. Follow the instructions for verification sent to your email or phone. Once verified, your card will be added to Google Pay. To use the card for transactions, simply select it at checkout. Ensure your device has NFC capabilities for contactless payments. You are now ready to make purchases using Google Pay at US merchants. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.